NASA is celebrating a momentous achievement. Engineers have managed to fix the Voyager 1 probe, the most distant man-made object in the universe, which is now sending usable information to Earth again after months of transmitting gibberish. This tiny spacecraft, launched 45 years ago, continues to defy the odds as it drifts 24 billion kilometers from Earth in interstellar space. Voyager 1's latest discovery is sending shockwaves across the scientific community. Could it be proof of alien technology? Let's dive into the details of this groundbreaking revelation and explore the mysteries of interstellar space. Voyager 1's journey began in September 1977, during an era of ambitious space exploration following the Apollo moon landings. Together with its twin, Voyager 2, the mission aimed to study the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Both spacecraft exceeded expectations, navigating hazardous radiation belts and cosmic rays to deliver unprecedented data and breathtaking images of the gas giants and their moons. Using the gravitational slingshot effect, Voyager 1 gained immense speed and began its trek out of the solar system. In 2012, it made history as the first human-made object to enter interstellar space, crossing the heliopause, the boundary where the Sun's influence ends. This milestone marked the beginning of an unprecedented exploration of the interstellar medium, a turbulent region filled with particles, radiation, and magnetic fields left by ancient supernovae. Voyager 1's instruments revealed phenomena that expanded our understanding of the universe's workings. But its most recent transmission has left scientists and the public alike in awe and wonder. Despite its advanced age, Voyager 1 continues to function, powered by a nuclear generator. Recently, it transmitted a signal unlike anything received before. The structured, almost coded nature of the signal has sparked intense speculation. Could it be evidence of advanced alien technology? NASA scientists are meticulously analyzing the data to determine whether this is a technical glitch, a natural phenomenon, or something extraordinary. Some experts suggest Voyager the first may have encountered alien technology, a probe or communication device left by an advanced civilization. If true, this would mark one of the most significant discoveries in human history, forcing us to reconsider our place in the cosmos. Others believe the signal could stem from an unknown natural phenomenon, such as a cosmic structure or event we've never encountered. Even the possibility of a malfunction cannot be ruled out. Voyager 1 systems are decades old, and its power supply is dwindling. Yet, its track record of reliability makes this explanation less compelling. Regardless, the faint signal reminds us that Voyager 1's story is far from over. Voyager 1 carries a golden record, a time capsule of Earth's sounds, music, and images, intended for any intelligent life that might find it. This record features everything from Chuck Berry's rock and roll to the sounds of whales and a message from President Jimmy Carter expressing hope for galactic unity. The golden record encapsulates humanity's curiosity and desire to connect with the universe. The recent signal raises an intriguing question: what if Voyager 1's message has been intercepted and answered? Could an alien civilization have studied the record and decided to reach out? While such a scenario may sound like science fiction, it is not implausible. The universe's vastness and age make the odds of intelligent life existing elsewhere more plausible than ever. If the signal originates from alien technology, it could mark the dawn of a new era. Collaboration with extraterrestrial beings could lead to shared knowledge, advanced technologies, and a deeper understanding of the cosmos. However, history has shown that first contact between civilizations can lead to conflict or misunderstanding. Humanity would need to approach such an encounter with caution and humility. Even if the signal turns out to be a natural phenomenon, it could still revolutionize our understanding of interstellar space. Cosmic mysteries like pulsars, quasars, and gamma-ray bursts have expanded our knowledge of the universe's workings. Voyager 1's discovery could add to this legacy. Voyager 1's journey has inspired generations of scientists and dreamers. Its path from the outer planets to interstellar space is a testament to human ingenuity and curiosity. As it continues its lonely trek at 38,000 miles per hour, it carries humanity's story into the cosmos. The spacecraft's achievements are part of a broader legacy of exploration. The Hubble Space Telescope revolutionized astronomy with its stunning images of distant galaxies and nebulae. Mars rovers like Spirit and Opportunity uncovered evidence of ancient rivers and lakes, hinting at the possibility of past life on the Red Planet. The Cassini-Huygens mission revealed the mysteries of Saturn and its moons, including Enceladus's subsurface ocean. These milestones have paved the way for future missions like the James Webb Space Telescope, which promises to unveil the universe's secrets with unparalleled precision. As we push the boundaries of exploration, Voyager 1 reminds us of the endless possibilities that await. Voyager 1's signal has captured the imagination of millions. Whether it leads to evidence of alien life or new cosmic phenomena, it underscores the spacecraft's enduring significance. The universe remains a vast, strange, and wondrous place, and Voyager 1 is our guide, showing us just how much we still have to learn. As NASA investigates the signal, one thing is certain: Voyager 1's story is far from over. Its journey into the unknown is a testament to humanity's quest for knowledge, inspiring us to look to the stars and dream of what lies beyond. The signal may be unexplained, but its potential to transform our understanding of the universe is undeniable.